Hello everyone, welcome to the featured video of WooCommerce Cart Discounts plugin. This plugin is developed by FMEAddons, a leading WooCommerce plugins development company having more than 25 best-selling plugins in its catalog. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Audio Player plugin allows your customers to buy both educational and entertainment audio content. You can customize the colors of elements of the music player, including themes, bars, and buttons. Attract users to your audio files by choosing dynamic names, thumbnails, and pop-up buttons. Our WooCommerce Audio Player plugin is fully compatible with HPOS, high-performance order storage, and multi-site. Let's see what this plugin can do for you. Admin can display audio products on the shop page.